Is your device missing the QR code scanner option when you are trying to pair Google Messages with another device, such as a computer on your Android device? Now, if you're trying to log into your Google Messages on the computer, you can no longer use QR code scanner. Google will soon, very soon, phase out this feature. So for now, it still works, but if you find that you cannot use QR code to pair Google Messages, then that is because Google is now taking away this feature. So it's not hidden anywhere. It's just simply Google has removed it and no longer available for you to use. Instead, you will have an icon option where you can tap on the emoji to pair them. So here you can see if I switch to Google account pairing, and when I try to go to a computer and pair it. Okay, so this is on the computer. It shows an emoji icon, and on my phone I need to tap on the right icon for it to pair. So here I tap on that, and because I tap on the correct icon on my computer now, it is now paired, and this is on my phone and that's on my computer right there. And that's it. So that's how you can get to work. Is you don't use QR code scanning anymore. You simply need to tap on the right emoji icon on your device. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.